Hi, fellow traders. I hope you guys had a great day today. We had a pretty decent morning, slow afternoon. It's pretty much been the cycle that we've been seeing here the last couple of days. But happy with it. Took what the market gave us, and we're locked and loaded and ready for tomorrow. So again, hopefully, I got a couple of guys that didn't like my Christmas stuff. So I'm sorry, but I love Christmas, and these next couple of days, you're probably going to see a Christmas one or two. So I'm happy. We're in the spirit of giving. Did some Christmas shopping today during lunch. So I'm all in. All right, guys. So let's take a look at what we did today. Well, you guys know about that. We got the roadmap / GPS to success still going on. It's going to continue to go on. The deal is, if you join now, the clock won't start till January 1st. So you get a couple of free weeks here. Now I know we're going to be light going into the holiday, but you get a jump start on the classes and hit the ground running in 2020. But if you have any questions, just shoot me an email, ed@AverageJoeTrader.com, or you can check it out on the website, AverageJoeTrader.com. So CAG, this is the one that I traded this morning. Had a couple on watch. Had DRI, which didn't really do well. MU, I didn't really like because it was so crowded around where the move was happening. CAG, and then SNPS was something I was just curious to see what it was going to do. It popped up on my scan right before we closed and was just curious. Now, I don't think I was ever in danger of trading it. But it did make a nice move, later on. But I was just curious how it was going to look at the open, based on the news that had come out and all of that. But CAG was the one we chose. It's the one that broke the opening range high first. And I know this line is a little bit off. So I did catch it like I wanted to. The issue was the conference call started right at the open. And I said the conference call started, I need to give it a couple extra minutes before I take this, because you really don't know within the first 15 minutes of the conference call, that's when you're going to get a lot of the bigger moves, and then maybe later on. So, and then I'm watching it. The setup looked so good, it just made me forget that the conference call was in play. So I got to my first target here at 33. Then we had a little pause here, and it started running up. Now this was a 52-week high break, and it was just blue sky. So all I'm looking for are whole and half dollar marks. So 33 was first. Then I was looking for 33.50. Then we got 34. And why I didn't take some off at 34.50, I was just being greedy, thinking we could get 35. And we got 34.70s, but we couldn't get 35. And came back and hit my profit stop here. So really, really nice trade. This is textbook. I should have, looking at this when I did my reflection, I should have taken another piece off here. Honestly, I was just being a little bit stubborn here. But it is what it is. 34.50 is where I should have done it. And here we bounced back to 34.50. And I could have taken it again, but I didn't. And we ended up bailing out. But this profit target, it would have been the same as if I had taken half off here and then let the other half come back down through the 20 here. So either way, it worked out the same. But for execution and grading my execution and my trade planning, the plan should have been whole and half dollar marks all the way until I ran out of shares. And just getting gritty at the end was a little bit much. Then we got back in after lunch, and we got in, and it did make a little move. It got up to 34.50, but that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for the move up here because I only took a couple hundred shares. I was in less than half size and was just looking for another small move up late in the day, and we didn't get it, so just ended up taking it off at break even. So that was that. Pretty decent day. I mean, this is a textbook opening range breakout, and we've had some textbook trades here, and yeah, it's just a matter of finding the right stock. That's what it boils down to. So 448.20 today, the best day of the week. We'll see if Friday, if we can do equal or one little step better. You know, because like I said, last week we started out about $150 red and ended up $1,500. We may not make that this week, but we're going to finish the week strong. I'm going to make sure of that. So this is the last full week of trading until January, and want to close it out strong. So you guys, we'll see you tomorrow. You guys be safe. Have a great night, a great weekend, and we'll get back at this thing tomorrow.